Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my first ever unboxing of the Rose War Panty Power box. Look at how pretty and cute this box is. I am definitely going to be saving this to reuse as a gift box. But so this is a monthly period subscription box. I seriously think that they have subscription boxes now for everything and I am so excited about it. I, as you might know, am obsessed with unboxings and subscription boxes, and when I saw this one I was like, that is so genius. And it's such a nice company as well. They were so sweet to send this to me for free to share on my channel. This is not a sponsored video, but I just really wanted to show this to you all. So let's get into it. So this is the December box. Ooh, and it even gives you product information and shows all of the different products that you could get in your box, but then it checks off the ones that are in your box. So a little bit about this box. It costs $37.50 a month, but it has free shipping and you get at least $70 worth of products in here. And it looks so cute. Ooh, and what's this? Wine makes everything better. Yeah, exactly. So 30% off canned wine. That's shipped right to your door? What? That's awesome. This is Graham and Fisk's wine in a can. 30% off if you use the code ROSEWAR. Oh my gosh, well I am definitely going to do that. I love wine and I love wine in a can. That sounds perfect. Delivered right to my door, even better. Okay, seriously, everything about this box is so beautifully packaged. I want to save this tissue paper too. Okay. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I see snacks. I see skincare. Okay, first we've got some Swedish fish. I love Swedish fish. Ooh, we have buttered waffles. So this kind of looks like a foreign candy. That's so fun. I've never tried those. A Rice Krispie treat. Oh my gosh, I have not had one of these in so long and I want to eat this right now, but I'll wait until after the video. So yes, like I said, this is a period themed subscription box. So you know, you get those snacks, you get some skincare because you know breakouts can happen around that time of month and you want to have a little candy, of course. This is turtles, yum. But so also you get pads and tampons. So let's take out here. Ooh, awesome. This is a mix of regular and super tampons. See 9 tampons in here and they are organic, which I think is really awesome. I really try and choose organic options when I can, just in my life in general. And here we have Handmade with Love. Oh my gosh, is this soap? It's a Honeysuckle bubble bar soap and it's handmade. I love handmade soaps and my boyfriend does too. He's like really into fancy soap, so oh, he would love this. And this is so cute. I don't know if you can see, it's like a honeycomb and it has a bee in the design. So beautiful. It's all organic soap made with olive oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, castor seed oil, fragrance oil, honey, coloring, natural accents. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. So if you want to check out this soap company, this would make an awesome gift. It's bubblebeesoapery.com. That's so cute. So this soap retails for $5. I feel like that's a very reasonable price if you were to order some to get as gifts. And then here I have, ooh, this is from the brand Zion Health Adama Papaya Enzyme Clay Mask Exfoliating Cleanser. Nourishing mask. It's vegan, paraben free, no sulfates, gluten free, made in the USA. That's awesome. So Zion Health Papaya Enzyme Clay Mask, a retail value of $20. And then, what else did I get? Oh my gosh, this is perfect for me. This is from the brand Rustic Maca. Luna Bliss Baking Soda Free Natural Deodorant with charcoal and magnesium. I love natural deodorant. I've been using natural deodorant for years. I will not use a deodorant that is not natural. So I am so excited to try this out. My gosh, that smells so good. Wow. Kind of smells like bubble gum. I am so excited to get a natural deodorant. And if I like this, I'll have to get more from this brand. So yeah, Rustic Maca, all natural Luna Bliss deodorant, retail value of $12. I have no problem spending $12 on a good natural deodorant. And then I also got, ooh, oh my gosh, this bottle is so pretty. There's like, is that little flowers? Yeah, this is from the brand Out da Mud, Amarna Floral Facial Oil with Blue Tansy. This is so pretty. This would also make a beautiful gift for someone. It actually has like flowers in it. Well, I love facial oils. Wow, so I love that you're getting some really nice self-care, skincare type products that seem to be really good, natural, which is what I really enjoy. You could also have gotten from the brand Wicked Good perfume oil. That sounds nice. You could have gotten from the brand Mixi sterling silver earrings. Wow. You could have gotten the Modern Skin Rosemary and Pine Petty Soak. Ooh, that sounds nice. The Skin Chemist Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. Ooh, I would love that for my dry skin. Or you could have also gotten the Be Fine Food Skincare Exfoliating Cleanser, or even a surprise gift. So I love that the boxes are different, and so they choose what products you get based off of your survey. You can also tell them preferences, age, things like that to get a more customized box to you. And if you decide to not get the pads and tampons, you would just get an additional one of those types of products. It says the no period supply box, or the menopause box. It's perfect for pregnant women, menopause, if you're having irregular periods, taking medications. So that's a really great option that you could choose to do. I already feel like I pulled out so many products, but I have even more in here. So here are some pads in various sizes, which is awesome. And there's also a panty liner. Look at how beautifully packaged these are. It's like a little gift, because it's a gift from nature, right? I don't know about that, but that's what I've heard. And then also some panties. Oh, I'm so excited about that. And then they also even put in some wipes. I just love that these are all products that are definitely going to go to use. It's not like you're signing up for a subscription box, paying the money for it just to get products that you might not ever use. But these are such useful products that I'm going to have to buy anyways, but might as well get organic versions that come every month, so you don't have to worry about going to the store and getting them. And I'm also very excited about the fact that you get 2 pairs of underwear. These seem really nice, so soft. So this one, so cute, is in a thong style. Wow, I love that. That's adorable. Such a nice feel to it. And then this one, ooh, this one also seems like a really nice quality pair of underwear. And I love a nude color. And by the way, you do let them know your underwear size. And this is from the brand Umita. I don't know that brand, but it seems really nice. So wow, it's not like they're just throwing in these little not cute, cheapy underwear. Like, you're getting nice quality underwear. And that's something that I'm really excited about, because I never buy underwear. It's just not something that I think to purchase all that often. So I don't have that much cute underwear. A lot of it's just that old, not cute kind. So I love the fact that you're getting 2 new pairs of nice underwear every month, because I really do honestly need to step up my underwear game and like treat myself to nicer underwear. I mean, it's something I wear every day, so it should be nice. I shouldn't be wearing that old, ugly underwear. And wow, that is everything I got. I am very excited about this. I'll do a quick recap of everything I got, and make sure to check the description down below because I'll link to how you subscribe. But basically you just go on to rosewarpantypower.com to subscribe. It's $37.50 a month. And a little bit more information that I just want to make sure I share is that I did get pads and tampons, but you can even customize to just get all tampons, just get all pads, or like I said before, you could get none of that and just get a bonus product. But the pads and tampons are eco-friendly, organic, which I think is so awesome. They're hypoallergenic. And then you get the 2 pairs of underwear. And like I said, you let them know your size, and you can also say if you want thongs, not thongs, or a mix. And then you've got the lifestyle, beauty, skincare, home gifts, snacks, and wipes that come in each box, which is always going to be at least $70 worth of value. And I really am excited about the products that I got. So I got the Rustic and Maca Luna Bliss Natural Deodorant, the Bumblebee Soapery Natural Handmade Soap, the Zion Health Adama Papaya Enzyme Clay Mask Exfoliating Cleanser, and the Out de Mud Naturals Amarna Flora Facial Oil with Blue Tansy. And then I got a bunch of different snacks and candy, which I know I'm gonna be eating probably right after this video. And then they also put in some wipes and a coupon code for canned wine, which I'm gonna be using as well. And I absolutely love this box. This box makes me so happy. And that's the goal of this box, is to make you feel special and just brighten your day. And this absolutely does that for me. I am so excited about this. I also think that any woman in your life would be really excited to get this if you're trying to think of a good gift to get someone. This is something useful every month that I would love to get the women in my life. I think it's such a fun, useful, nice subscription. So I will definitely have in the description down below how you can subscribe. Just go to rosewarpantypower.com. And thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.